Hi everyone, my name is Jorge Cuevas.
I am Katerina Morgan.
We are Hydramaq from Panama, dealer of Dynaset products.
Our company is dedicated to do modifications on mining and maritime industry.
Hydramaq is managed by three persons, Katerina Morgan, Mr. Armando, and I.
Our story begins over 10 years ago when I used to work in the assembling line. After that, we took the brand back to Panama, and almost 5 years ago, we restructured our company, and that's how Hydramaq was born. As we always believe, Dynaset products are the best solution for many problems. Whenever we have to do a project, we like Dynaset products because of they are more compact, so they are easy to install.
One of a big challenge was to make a loop truck, Caterpillar 7040, for a more bigger excavator in the world.
I want to say one of our unique cases to transform how they deliver grease to the biggest shovels in the world. And our customer used to have these totems with grease and bring it in a car and just pump one grease at a time. And we deliver a loop truck with Dynaset products that it was able to dispatch both grease at the same time. So the time saving our customer gets was enormous. And also we can prove that Dynaset can handle, or Dynaset products can handle many different kind of environments.
Before, they dispatch grease in 4 hours. So with Dynaset product,
1.5 hours. Time saving was even more than our customer expected. So we could beat our customer expectations by far. We got now to be installing
10 ppl,
10 high pressure washer 220 in one of the biggest drills, an Hydramaq drill in Panama. And we expect a lot in the next future with Dynaset because mainly we believe, or we have seen in these 10 years, that Dynaset have been getting better and better, improving all the time the products.
innovation.
And innovation, yeah. And that's what we like about this brand, because they're always making things better.
It's really important to know also we introduce the Dynaset product in a complex market, and we do complex engineering systems to introduce the product, but unique. So that's why we are happy, because we are taking Dynaset products to the next level in mining companies. So that's why we are working every day to make something different.
We see Dynaset products with different eyes. It's just not to install them, to use them in many unique possibilities. And whatever customer needs, we can bring a solution with Dynaset products. Here is where everything starts. I start assembling these pumps, so I know them by heart, how great they are. Now we are selling this to our customers in Panama. Have a great day.